Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to day 2 on the Southport 33DC build with the Furuno system. Let's check out what Shannon and the team have gotten done on this boat. If you look here, we started work on the hardtop today. We've got our Sirius radio antenna. We've got our Furuno SAT compass. We'll go into a little more detail once we get sea trial what's going on and why we have a SAT compass. You see another Sirius antenna. Then you've got our Yamaha antenna for our joystick and skyhook. Then we've got our Vesper AIS antenna. Then we've got our Furuno 4-foot NXT. And you can also see we haven't mounted them yet, but we have the Taco Power VHF antennas to raise and lower those. So everything's getting laid down to bed here on the hardtop. So as we make our way down here, we'll start to see what else is going on inside here. You start to see we've got all of our wires starting to get pulled. So we got mom spaghetti kind of going on there, and everything's starting to get put into the helm. So as you see, we've got a whole lot of stuff going on right there. So it was a busy day for them today, getting wires pulled, getting things mounted on the hardtop, and all that kind of fun stuff. So that's it. That is day 2 of the Southport 33 build. You guys want to know questions like why did we choose certain things, or why is there a SAT compass antenna, or any of that kind of stuff? Leave it down below in the comments, and we'll get them answered for you guys. So that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.